Good morning, everyone. This is me, Teacher Charmaine Zaleda, your computer teacher. Today, we're going to discuss about the different steps in formatting a text using the different groups that we can find under your home tab on the font group and in the paragraph group. Okay, for an example, we're going to proceed right after here in our working area. I'm going to paste a text. Okay, this text, we're going to edit this text using the font group and the paragraph group under your home tab. Okay, for an example, you are going to change the style of this text. First thing is, you need to highlight the text that you are going to format or to edit. Then, you're going to go right under here at the command or your font style command. You're going to click the quick access launch bar or the drop down button for you to choose the style of text. For an example, we're going to choose this one, this type of text for our text that we are going to use in our document area. Okay, we're going to scroll down for us to choose more style for our text. For an example, we're going to use this book Antiqua style. Okay, you're just going to select your desired style. Then after that, you can see here that the text that we or the style of the text that we have choose here under your font style is applied now in our text. Next thing is we're going to change the size of our text. We're just going to click the drop down button under your font size. Then you can now choose the size of your text. Okay, you can increase the size and if you can even decrease the size of your text. But for us, we're going to increase the size of our text. I'm going to choose 20. Okay, now our font size is now applied here in our text. Now we're going to bold or make our text more darker than the usual. We're going to choose the bold command. As you can see, the text here in our document area is more darker than the usual. Then, after that is we're going to italize or italicize the text. We're just going to click the italic command for us to apply the italicized word or letters here in our document area. After that, if you want to emphasize a certain word in your text, you're just going to highlight the text first. For an example, we're going to highlight the word false. Okay, after the text is highlighted, you can now apply the underline command on it to make an emphasize on the word. Okay, next is the strike through. We use the strike through command to indicate that the word that is inside our text or our document is to be deleted. For an example, we're going to delete the word overcoats. We're just going to highlight the text first, then we're going to click or press the command, the strike through command to apply its function in our text. Okay, that will be the outcome of the text if you are going to apply the strike through command. Next is if you want to change the color of your text, you're just going to click the font color. You're going to click the drop down menu, then you can now choose the color that you desire in under the themes color or theme colors. Okay, for us, we're going to choose a darker side of color which is orange, darker 25%. Okay, now we have applied the font color in our text inside our document area. Okay, if we are now contented with the style of the text inside your document area, we can now proceed to the paragraph group inside our home tab and in our document area. Now, if we want to put the text at the center of our document area, we're just going to select or click the center alignment. But before that, I just want to explain that we have four paragraph alignment that we can choose from under our paragraph group. These are the left align. If we're going to select the left align, the direction of our text is on the left direction. Next, If we're going to choose the center or align center, the direction of our text will be at the center. And if we're going to choose a right align, the direction of our text is on the right corner of our document area. The last one is to justify. When we select the command for our justify, the original position of our text will follow, or it will command to go back the text to its original position. But for us, we're going to choose the center alignment. Next, if you want to adjust the spacing between the line of your text, you need to highlight it first. Then you're going to click or press the line and paragraph spacing. Okay, we're going to click or press the drop down button. After selecting that command, you can now choose the spacing of your line. Okay, for us, we're going to choose 1.15. Okay, we already applied the line spacing for our paragraph. Next is the border. It's up to you if you want to apply a border inside your text, or you're just going to allow it to have no border at all. It's up to you. Again, I repeat, it's up to your choice. Okay, these are the different steps in formatting the text inside your document area using the Microsoft Word application. We're going to continue our activity next week. Again, this is Teacher Charmina Saleda, your computer teacher. Goodbye and God bless.